To transfer funds from your current balance to available balance, follow these steps. First, understand the difference between current and available balance. Your current balance is the total amount of money in your account, including any pending transactions or holds. Your available balance, on the other hand, is the amount of money you can use right now. To initiate a transfer, log in to your online banking account or mobile banking app. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account management section where you can view your account balances. Look for the current and available balance displays, and take note of the amounts. Next, check if there are any pending transactions or holds on your account that may be affecting your available balance. If you see any, wait until they are cleared before proceeding with the transfer. Now, to transfer funds from your current balance to available balance, you need to clear any pending transactions or holds. This can be done by waiting for the transactions to be processed, or by contacting your bank to request that they be removed. Once any pending transactions or holds are cleared, the funds will be automatically transferred from your current balance to your available balance. You can verify this by checking your account balances again. It is essential to regularly review your account activity and balances to ensure that your available balance is up to date. This will help you avoid any overdrafts or declined transactions due to insufficient funds. In summary, to transfer funds from your current balance to available balance, log in to your online banking account. Navigate to the account management section. Check for any pending transactions or holds. Clear them if necessary, and verify that the funds have been transferred. By following these steps, you can ensure that your available balance is always accurate and up to date.